In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice, so once and a second time. Now it's time to look for Auto Rotate shortcut, which is this one, and once you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. If you can't find it here, don't worry, just click on this pen at the bottom right corner. Look for it here, and once you find it, add it to your shortcut menu. If it's not really comfortable to use from here, you can always hold it and move it wherever you wish. When you're done adjusting your menu, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Now, if you want to, you can always just go into settings, scroll to click on display section, and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. You can even click on Auto Rotate screen, manage it from here, and read this little disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!